Hello, I'm Dana Trump and this is your Service Minute. Today we're going to show you how you can actually install your wiring harness through your boot of your loader lever without cutting it. We have successfully used needle nose pliers, bigger set and spread them. This will take 2 people to do. It's doable. It's not too bad of a fight, but I wanted something better. Anybody that is in the livestock business, cattle, sheep, will know what this tool is used for. I've always called it a calf bender myself. So I found if you want the 4-prong, not the 3, this is not the little one. This is the heavy duty. The reason for that is it opens up wider. So with that, I got plenty of room to get this wire harness fished through. I'm pulling on this and stretched really well. You don't want to overdo it and rip it. I did take and make me a zip tie to hold it in place. Now you can actually feed your wire harness all the way through this, almost up to your handle. No notch. It's easier. Take the cap off and pull the fuse out. I'm going to put this wire in first because this is the biggest part of the wiring harness. After this is fished through, I will fish one at a time and continue to pull this until we get everything pulled through. Once you get your boot threaded on here, remember to install your fuse and put your cap back on your fuse holder. Now you're ready to go put it on your tractor. I'm Dana. This has been your Service Minute.